Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today we are diving into the vibrant flavors of Goa with a special recipe, Goan green mutton curry. This dish is a delightful blend of tender mutton, fresh green herbs and a medley of spices all simmered to perfection. Whether you are a fan of Goan cuisine or trying it for the first time, this curry is sure to tantalize your taste buds. Let's get cooking and bring a taste of Goa to your kitchen. Now let's begin. Take 600 grams of boneless mutton, add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and then give this a nice mix. Then marinate this for about 2 hours. Then to make the green masala, take a mixer jar, add half bunch of coriander leaves, 3 green chilies, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 12 cloves, 2 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 4 green cardamom, 2-inch cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 10 black peppercorns, 3 garlic cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 cm round tamarind, and 3 tablespoon water, and add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Then blend this to a smooth paste, something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan add oil, add 2 onions chopped and fry this until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped, fry this until the tomatoes are soft. Add the marinated mutton and add 3 tablespoon water and 3 potatoes cut in cube. Then give this a mix. And then cover it and cook it until the potatoes are soft. Then give this a nice mix. Then add the green masala which was previously made and add about 2 cups water. Add 1 tablespoon Goan vinegar. Mix it and check if it needs any more water to make a nice curry. Add about half cup water more to make it a nice curry consistency. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then give this a mix. Then add half tablespoon sugar, add some salt to taste and cook it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it, our delicious Goan green mutton curry. The rich aromatic flavors are sure to impress. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing dishes. Let us know in the comments how your curry turned out or if you have any special twist on this recipe. Thanks for watching and happy cooking. See you in the next video. Bye.